Hello everyone, I am your host Sheen Musa. Today we are diving into some compelling stories from the food delivery world that are turning heads. From pricing controversies in South Korea to the heartbreaking closure of a beloved service in the US. Let's get right into it. First, let's jet over to South Korea, where fast food giants like McDonald's and Burger King are igniting a firestorm with their new dual pricing strategy. Picture this, you are craving a Big Mac, but when you check the delivery price, it's a whopping 1300 won, more than if you have dined in. Consumers are furious, feeling blindsided by these hidden costs. With franchisees like Lotteria joining the fray, the lack of clear communication about these price hikes is sparking outrage in the community. It's a classic case of surprise and not the good one. Now let's head to United States, where Yellow, the iconic frozen food delivery service formerly known as Schwan's, has made a heart-wrenching announcement. They are permanently parking their iconic yellow delivery trucks. After an impressive 72 years of serving families across the nation, this beloved service is closing its doors, leaving 176 workers without jobs. CEO Bernardo Santana expressed heartfelt gratitude to loyal customers and employees, but acknowledged the sadness of saying goodbye to such an iconic brand. With the final orders being taken by November 8, this marks the end of an era for many who relied on Yellow for their frozen favorites. Finally, we travel to India, where a festive Onam celebration turned into a tragic event. During an eating contest in Kerala, a 49-year-old man, Suresh, tragically choked on idlis while competing. Despite the desperate efforts of bystanders to save him, he passed away shortly after reaching the hospital. This heartbreaking incident has left the local community in shock, mourning the loss of a well-loved and active member. As the festivities were in full swing, this serves as a sobering reminder of the potential dangers lurking in seemingly harmless competitions. And there you have it, 3 powerful stories that highlight the ups and downs of the food delivery and dining experience around the globe. From pricing shocks to the bittersweet end of a beloved service, these stories show just how dynamic and sometimes unpredictable this industry can be. So thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these stories. Drop us a comment, and until then, stay safe and happy eating.